This is the elevator at Contemporary Crafts in the Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler 300A elevator with MT fixtures. Case fire, you stay away for exit. Elevator and round lantern. Very block metal cap. We'll go down the lower level. Oh, this is pretty nice. Completely flush panel. Here at lower level. We'll go back up to 1. ADA phone. I think someone discovered the elevator came down. Again, black metal cap, kind of worn, like fake worn. Here, back at 1. There is a second floor to this building, but this elevator does not serve that level. This elevator was installed in 2001. There it closes, and that's going to be it.